Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Riya Study Circle. Before start the video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get my latest updated videos. Today I am going to explain about 8th class chapter number 10 direct and inverse proportion in that exercise 10.3 fifth problem. See the fifth problem. A ship can cover certain distance in 10 hours at a speed of 16 nautical miles per hour. By how much should its speed be increased so that it takes only 8 hours to cover the same distance? Here a nautical mile is a unit of measurement used at sea distance. That is, 1 nautical mile is equal to 1852 meters. So here what the problem? A ship covers certain distance within 10 hours if the speed is 16 nautical miles per hour. How much speed should be increased to cover the same distance within 8 hours? So let's see the solution. First we have to write the two quantities given in the problem. Those are time and speed. So if you see, time is 10 hours. A ship can cover certain distance in 10 hours if the speed is 16 nautical miles. So first we have to find the speed of the ship which covers same distance within 8 hours. So next quantity we have to write, time is 8 hours, speed we have to find out. If you observe here, time taken to cover the same distance is decreases from 10 hours to 8 hours. That means here the speed is increases from 16 nautical miles to whatever it is. So here whatever the value we have to find, that should be more than 16 nautical miles. So one quantity is decreases, another quantity is increases. So this is in the inverse proportion. So let's take time as x terms, speed as y terms. So 10 hours as x1, 8 hours as x2, 16 nautical miles as y1. We have to find the y2. So what is the symbol for inverse proportion? X is inversely proportional to y. What is the formula for inverse proportion? x1 y1 equal to x2 y2. Now we have to substitute the values of x1, x2, y1 to get the value of y2. That is 10 into 16 equal to 8 into y2. y2 equal to into 8 will come to left side, will become divided by. So y2 equal to 10 into 16 by 8. 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16. What is the remaining terms? 10 into 2, 10 2s are 20. So y2 is the 20 nautical miles. This is the speed of the ship. It has to cover the same distance within 8 hours. So what is given in the problem? We have to find how much speed should be increased. So to find that, we have to subtract the actual speed, that is 60 nautical miles, from this 20 nautical miles. That means 20 minus 16 equal to 4 nautical miles. So for a ship to cover the same distance within 8 hours, the speed should be increased. How much? 4 nautical miles speed should be increased to cover the same distance within 8 hours. This is our solution. The solution is 4 nautical miles. Next one is sixth one. 5 pumps are required to fill a tank in 1.5 hours. How many pumps of the same type are used to fill the tank within half an hour? So here also they given two quantities, that is, one is pumps, another one is time taken to fill the tank. So let's see the solution. First we have to write those two quantities, number of pumps and time taken. So first quantity is given as 5 pumps are required to fill a tank within 1.5 hours. So let's convert this 1.5 hour into complete minutes. 1 hour means 60 minutes plus half an hour means 30 minutes. 60 plus 30, 90 minutes. Next one, how many pumps are required to fill the same tank within half an hour? Half an hour means nothing but 30 minutes. Here if you see, the time taken to fill the tank is decreases from 90 minutes to 30 minutes. That means time is decreases. So obviously number of pumps should be increased. So if you see, one quantity is decreases, another quantity increases. So this is in which proportion? Inverse proportion. So we have to take pumps as x terms, time as y terms. So 5 as x1, x2 we have to find out, y1 is 90, y2 is 30 minutes. So let's write the formula for inverse proportion. X is inversely proportional to y. What is the formula? X1 y1 equal to x2 y2. Now substitute the values of x1 y1 y2 to get the value of x2. So x1 is 5 into y1 is 90 equal to x2 is, we have to find out, into y2 is 30. To get the value of x2, we have to send this into 30 to the left side. It will become divided by 30. So x2 equal to 5 into 90 by 30. 31 is 33 is 90. What is the remaining terms? 5 into 3. 5 3 is 15. So how many pumps are required? 15 pumps are required to fill the tank within half an hour. Next one, seventh problem. If 15 workers can build a wall in 48 hours, how many workers will be required to do the same work in 30 hours? So here they given two quantities. One is workers and second one is time to complete the work. So let's write the two quantities, workers and time. So first one, if 15 workers can build a wall, they will complete the wall within 48 hours. So how many workers will be required to do the same work within 30 hours? So here if you observe, time is decreases from 48 hours to 30 hours. If time decreases, the number of workers should be increased from 15 to whatever it is. So whatever the value we have to find, that should be more than 15. So let's take workers as x terms, time as y term. So 15 is x1, x2 we have to find out. Y1 is 48 hours, Y2 is 30 hours. If you see one quantity is decreases, another quantity increases. So it is in inverse proportion. So we can mention X is inversely proportional to Y. What is the formula for inverse proportion? X1 Y1 equal to X2 Y2. So let's substitute the values of X1 Y1 Y2 to get the value of X2. So substitute in the formula, 15 into 48 equal to x2 into 30. This into 30 will come to left side, will become divided by 30. So x2 equal to 15 into 48 by 30. 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30, 2 ones are 2, 24s are 48. So what is the value of x2? 24. So here 24 is what? Workers. So therefore we can write the final statement. 24 workers can complete the same work within 30 hours. Next, eighth problem. A school has 8 periods a day, each of 45 minutes duration. How long would each period become if the school has 6 periods a day? Let us assume the number of school hours to be the same. So here let's see the solution. First we have to write the two quantities given in the problem. Those are number of periods and time duration for each period. So what they given in the problem, we have to write here. Number of periods are 8. If the periods are 8, how much time per each period? 45 minutes. Next, if the periods are 6, how much time for each period we have to find out. If you observe here, number of periods are decreases from 8 periods to 6 periods. So obviously the time duration for each period should be increased from 45 minutes to whatever it is. So here if you see, one quantity is decreases with another quantity increases. So it is in inverse proportion. So what we can mention? X is inversely proportional to Y. What is the formula for inverse proportion? X1 Y1 equal to X2 Y2. So here let's take number of periods as X terms, time as Y terms. So let's substitute the values of X1, X2 and Y1 to get the value of Y2. So now substitute. X1 is 8 into Y1 is 45 equal to x2 is 6 into y2 we have to find out. To get the y2, this into 6 will go to left side, will become divided by 6. y2 equal to 8 into 45 by 6. So we can cancel this. 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3 15s are 45. So what is the remaining terms? y2 equal to 4 into 15. So y2 equal to 15 4s are 60. So here what is y2? Time duration if the periods are 6 periods. So if you see y2 equal to 60 minutes. Therefore we can write the final statement 60 minutes per each period if 6 periods per a day. So here answer is 60 minutes. So like this we can solve the problems based on that problem. Either it is in direct proportion or inverse proportion. First we have to find out that. Then we have to substitute the given values. Then we can find out the unknown value of given problem. So this is our today's video. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you have any doubt or if you want any problem with the solution, then comment below. I will definitely explain in my next videos. If you want these videos in Telugu, then comment below. I definitely explain in Telugu also. ఒకవేళ మీకు వీడియోస్ తెలుగులో కావాలనుకుంటే కామెంట్ చేయండి, నేను తెలుగులో కూడా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. If you are confused to get my videos, then please go to playlist in my channel. I will upload all my videos playlist wise, so you can easily find there. Thank you for watching. Please support me by do like, share and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get my latest updated videos when I post.